Welcome to this tutorial on finding dependencies for ChromeDriver of Google-Chrome-Stable on Ubuntu Linux. If you're working with Selenium WebDriver or any other automation tool that relies on ChromeDriver, you've probably encountered the frustration of dealing with missing dependencies. In this video, we'll walk through a step-by-step process to identify and install the necessary dependencies for ChromeDriver on Ubuntu Linux. As developers and testers, it's essential to understand how to troubleshoot and resolve dependency issues to ensure our automation tests run smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to find and fix missing dependencies for ChromeDriver, saving you time and effort in your testing and development workflow. So, let's dive into the process of finding dependencies for ChromeDriver on Ubuntu Linux. The first step is to understand what ChromeDriver is and how it interacts with the operating system. ChromeDriver is a standalone server that allows us to interact with Google Chrome browser instances using the WebDriver protocol. When we install ChromeDriver, it doesn't come bundled with all the necessary dependencies. Instead, it relies on the host machine's libraries and frameworks to function correctly on Ubuntu Linux. These dependencies are usually installed as part of the operating system or through package managers like apt-get. To find the missing dependencies for ChromeDriver, we need to use a combination of tools and techniques. One approach is to use the LDD command, which stands for List Dynamic Dependencies. This command allows us to see which shared libraries an executable depends on. Let's take a look at how to use LDD with ChromeDriver. We can start by navigating to the directory where we've installed ChromeDriver. Then, we can run the command LDD ChromeDriver to list the dynamic dependencies for the ChromeDriver executable. The output of this command will show us a list of shared libraries that ChromeDriver depends on. These libraries are usually installed as part of the Ubuntu Linux distribution or through package managers like apt-get. If any of these libraries are missing, we can use the apt-get install command to install them. For example, let's say we notice that the libbus1so3 library is missing from our system. We can use the command sudo apt-get install libus1 to install this library and its dependencies. Another approach to finding dependencies for ChromeDriver is to analyze the error messages produced when running ChromeDriver. If ChromeDriver fails to start or crashes, it usually produces an error message indicating which dependency is missing. We can also use tools like traces to analyze system calls made by ChromeDriver. This can help us identify which libraries and frameworks are being loaded and used by ChromeDriver. To recap, here are the key points to remember when finding dependencies for ChromeDriver on Ubuntu Linux. Use the LDD command to list dynamic dependencies for the ChromeDriver executable. Analyze error messages produced by ChromeDriver to identify missing dependencies. Use tools like traces to analyze system calls made by ChromeDriver. Install missing dependencies using package managers like apt-get. That's it for today's tutorial on finding dependencies for ChromeDriver of Google-Chrome-Stable on Ubuntu Linux. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of how to troubleshoot and resolve dependency issues with ChromeDriver. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and explanations on testing and development topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.